I am working on this Walking Dead machine here, and I've got a new board here that I've had serviced, and I've had this little chip there replaced. Now, rumor has it, these boards tend to, that chip goes out and the sound goes out in these things. So I've had that chip repaired. We're going to see if that fixes the sound problem in this Walking Dead. Okay, so now we've got the board in. By the way, some of these little connectors are hot glued in, so you gotta be a little careful when you're undoing them. So let's put some power on and see if we get sound. Okay. Oh, there's sound, okay. All right, got a little glitch with this DMD there, but start a game.
Looks like we got our work cut out for us.
All right, so there you have it. Apparently a common problem, and we're not completely sure why this happens. This is it in PinWiki here, where it talks about this volume issue. This chip here, this 16-pin shrink small outline package. It's not an easy thing to service by yourself if you're not familiar with surface mount stuff, so I sent it out, and I sent it to Chris Hibbler, and he appears to have done a pretty decent job with it. I could hardly tell the chip was replaced in the board there, and he charged $125 for it, including the shipping, not including shipping. And now we've got it back, which is probably the best approach because it's very hard to find replacement boards. I still had a call into Stern for help with this and didn't get any response from them. So they may know that this is a known problem, but I don't know what they want to do about it. So if you can find somebody out there that can replace that chip if your sound goes out, that's what you want to try. In this case, it worked for me, so we got our game back online. Going to put this fluorescent tube. This is an LED tube that I put in here, which I like better than the original fluorescent tubes. So I'm going to put that in and put the game back online. So thanks everybody for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.